In this video, I'll show you how to delete a card comment using Trello in N8N step by step. This is a quick and useful automation if you want to manage Trello comments inside your workflow without doing everything manually. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N automation guides. Let's get started. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This is where you will add the Trello action, so make sure you're in the correct automation before continuing. If you already have a workflow created, just open it from your dashboard and get ready to add a new node. Next, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can search for and add different app integrations to your workflow. In the Nodes panel, choose Trello. You can either search for it directly or scroll until you find it. Once you see Trello, click it to continue. After selecting Trello, look for the option labeled Delete a Card Comment. This is the action you need if your goal is to remove a specific comment from a Trello card. Click that option so N8N knows exactly which Trello operation you want to use. Now it's time to choose the credential you want. This connects N8N to your Trello account and gives the workflow permission to perform the action. Select the correct Trello credential from the list or add a new one if you haven't connected your account yet. Make sure you choose the right account, especially if you manage multiple Trello boards or workspaces. Once the credential is selected, configure what to create. In this case, you'll set up the details needed for the delete comment action so N8N knows which card comment to remove. Fill in the required fields carefully and make sure the information matches the comment you want deleted. After that, review your settings one more time. Check the workflow, the Trello node, the action, and the credential to make sure everything is configured properly. When everything looks good, save your workflow and run a test if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a card comment using Trello in N8N. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple automation tutorials like this one.